So what are we going to do this week? What is this?
It's Mailbag Monday.
I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D. All right, everybody. So this is Mailbag Monday, episode 13. And we love Mailbag Monday. Mailbag Monday is so much fun. We have 3 of these peculiarly similar looking envelopes. We have this one, which has got a story, and then we have this box. So let's start with the box because it has a little bit of a story too, and that is that I already opened it. I wasn't sure what it was when it came in because it came from Amazon, but it is actually from CCTree 3D.
Did you open it and then taped it?
Yeah, just so that it wasn't flappy and the stuff didn't fall out. So this was prearranged. CCTree 3D had actually reached out to me. You can throw that. Just watch for the cat. They had reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review of their filament. And I hate free stuff, so of course I fought with them and I was like, no. And they were like, take it. No, she reached out to me and said, hey, would you be willing to, take a couple rolls of our filament and do a review? And I said, absolutely. So they sent us a roll of yellow. I don't know why people love to send us yellow. It's just a thing. I told her I would like some colors that show well on camera, so she sent us a yellow, which is it's a little bit more pale than the yellows I like.
The yellow's too yellow.
But I can't wait to try that. And then you don't have to take it all the way out.
But I want to.
And the other one is an orange. In fact, it looks a little shiny there.
It's like
it's almost a little like a creamsicle orange.
Yeah.
Don't say that brand. Okay. I don't even want to talk about that brand.
Okay.
So, and no, it's not. It's a little more orange than that. So,
but that we got.
I thought the cat was getting in the box. I guess she's just fighting with it.
Well,
so
she's fighting with my shirt.
So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to give that a try. Watch for the review on that. So this next one also has a story, and you guys are not gonna believe this, but this is 2 ANET AA printers in this. I don't know if you have to add water.
Like, is it like a shrink ray or something?
Maybe, or maybe they compressed it really tight and stuck it in there. Or those, those sponges that you stick, they come as like a ball and you put them in and all of a sudden they turn into something big.
I think so.
You get a t-shirt that's like packed in like this and all of a sudden it comes out. All right, so some of you guys may know, some of you may have gotten in on this or been taken by this. I knew better, but Wish had a printer that was similar to the A8. I don't think it was actually the ANET A8. It was similar to, and it was free, just pay shipping of $2. And so I paid $4 because I bought 2 of them. And then what they did was they changed the description on the item after everybody had ordered them. And I thought it was very funny because right here, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, that says, yeah, I'd have to monkey with the focus, but that says that the value in US dollars is 38 cents. So what everybody has been getting is just samples of, I suppose I better not tear the label even though I just put marker all over it, but because I am going to file a claim with Wish, which I knew I was going to end up doing when I ordered it, only because I don't feel that companies should get away with bait and switch. Don't entice me into something, even though I knew I wasn't going to get it, to end up with...
And they're
with a chintzy little roll.
And it's the same color. What is this?
And then there's absolutely, all it says is 3D pen filament ABS. There's no specifications on it or anything. So,
where's the garbage can?
No, we'll do something with them. Well, I don't know.
Hashtag get trolled.
We'll set up a Gleam giveaway to no. So
If you call now.
I want to save that one. We'll do that. Okay, we're gonna do this one, and I'm not sure who this is from because there's blue tape over. No, because I didn't put a name on the outside of the bag. I think I know who it's from,
But
and
you don't at the same time.
well, I don't want to say and then find out it's not. So we're just gonna. You want to go ahead and carefully unwrap that, and I will.
I wanted to read the letter, but okay.
I will put on my Superman specs.
How do I unwrap this?
Dear Glenn and Xander. Really? No, okay.
That's us.
Whew. I wanted to make you guys something special for your channel. The enclosed iris ring is based on a replica prop I designed. That is from Star Wars: The Last Jedi.
Ooh!
That's pretty
But
exciting.
I can't get it.
But I customized it just for you guys. That's pretty awesome.
Oh gosh.
I wanted to say thank you for being awesome members of the 3D printing community. You want the knife?
No.
And for the support you give to smaller channels.
Oh,
We definitely try to help out the smaller
I can
channels.
feel it.
And I say that, we're not really that big. I mean, we're technically a small channel that got blessed. So I hope you enjoy the ring. Regards.
Okay, give me the knife.
It's ALI. I don't know if it's Ali, so you're going to have to let me know how it's pronounced. But he's from PotentPrintable. And that's who I thought it was from, but I wasn't absolutely positively sure. I don't think you open it by beating it with your fist. And nice use of the index card. That was good.
Just open it.
Yes.
I should have read the card and you did that.
It's right here. You just pull it like this. And then it's a nice little bag. Now, can you reach in the bag and get that out? Ha! Now you're stuck in the bag.
We got this. We got.
What does that say? What does that
it
say?
says twist.
Twist.
Twisting it.
Oh, that is too cool. Okay, I'm going to have to monkey with the focus on this camera because we're going to have to be able to. Let's punch over here.
I can do it. I can do it.
All right, hang on. Let me get you into focus. That should be pretty good.
May the force be with you.
That's so cool. Too bad it doesn't fit you.
Oh, man.
Ha-ha!
Darn it. May the force be with you.
Oh, that's too cool. Thank you so much for that. That is really, really, really cool. And you said you modeled this yourself, which is outstanding. It's a perfect iris. It's very cool. I appreciate that greatly. And Xander said that it doesn't fit him. Xander's gonna be putting tape on his finger until it fits.
Like layer after layer. Which one is my thickest finger?
Your thumb.
Oh.
Thank you so much, and we'll put any of your links down in the description as usual. So anybody out there that wants to go and follow up with PotentPrintables. Now don't do that. You're gonna mess it up.
Oh.
So
It wasn't me.
That's too cool. I got to pass that off to the audience so they can look at it.
Which one now?
All right. So this one, I'm not sure who this is from. Who would this be from? For you guys that aren't familiar with NJ Printing, they are a middle school and a high school brother team that does 3D printing, and they have a YouTube channel, which, of course, I will link down in the description below. Everybody likes these padded manila envelopes. Got a whole bunch of them this week. So now we were supposed to meet with NJ, which is Noah and Joshua, down in Miami at Miami Maker Faire, and we didn't end up making it to the Maker Faire. So, look at that! It's like gift wrapped. You have to show that off.
I have to carefully unwrap it.
Look at this. I mean, that is. Fancy.
Now I have to carefully unwrap.
All right. Well, let me have. Oh, it says read first. This is Noah and Joshua's business card.
They have a business card?
Send them some mail. And I'm assuming that
address
there's
a
is safe to
second
give out,
one.
being that they printed it on a business card. And and they used the QR codes just like we did, which is pretty cool. That's a nice quality feeling card.
Wait, I'm gonna get it.
Holy cow! Like,
no, I'm gonna get it.
This is a short episode. What are you doing?
I can get it. Read me first.
Are you gonna read it?
Yes.
Am I gonna have to speed you up later?
Yes.
I have to speed you up just unwrapping it.
Oh, it looks like a long letter.
Oh, it is a long one.
Oh.
Should probably turn it the right way up.
Dear Glenn and Xander and Zachary. That's us.
That's us.
That kid.
And Zach.
We have been fans of you for such a long time. It was Joel's contest that introduced us to the deeper 3D printing community in your channel. Now we are so happy to be part of this community on YouTube. We are sorry that you guys could not make it to Miami. We will meet you soon. If you have not watched our March videos yet, stop filming this week's Mailbag Monday and go watch those videos. They will give you a clue to what you got. See you soon. And keep up the great content. See you soon, Noah and Joshua and J Printing.
All right, so we actually did make it to Miami. We were in Miami.
We were.
We just didn't make it to Maker Faire. So, but it was very, very kind of you guys to send this on, and I do think I know what's in there because I do watch your videos. Come on. What Xander doesn't realize is when he goofs around like this, it takes me longer in post-production to fix the videos.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, well.
Whoa. A blue one, a yellow one, and an orange one.
So blue and orange. Now I specifically requested yellow. They said, what color would you want? And I said, well, yellow, of course, you know, black and yellow, black and yellow. This two-tone one is really cool. Let's pop over here.
I have that blue one.
that is their maker coin as a keychain, which is a great idea. Because it adds a little practicality to the print. Really, you can't.
Oh, it's an outlet.
It's an outlet cover. Or it's a pair of binoculars. A bandito mask. That's really cool.
Oh, right. That's really cool. Yep.
Well, anything with our logo on it's really cool. Just for the record, anytime that you guys want to make something with the Fun King on it, please reach out to me and I will give you a good copy of the logo so you don't have to fight making it. But I mean, this turned out really cool. I really like it.
I'm gonna connect.
So, and this one is upright. That one's a sideways one, and this is an upright one. This is very cool. I'm gonna find a place to put those.
Can one be in my room?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
You really deserve such things?
Yeah.
All right, we'll figure it out. And I got a few more of their business cards so I can share those. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. And I am sorry that we missed meeting you guys down in Miami. I mean, to be so close and yet so far. But there was just too much going on that weekend for us. So, but thank you. And again, links to Noah and Joshua and J Printing will be down in the description. Now this next one, well, it's special just like all of them, but this came from Thomas over at Arduino Makes. And what makes this one so special, let me see if I can punch this up. You guys read what that says? It says, Thomas didn't put enough stamps on this envelope, and I had to pay $2.50 to get it. So, this better be good, Thomas. My darling wife went by the post office, and she's like, there's a package that there's $2.50 owed on it. And I'm like, pay it. Oh. He sent us more maker coins because he thinks I lost his.
Okay, I'll read it.
Again? You take too long.
I like reading.
You take too long.
I like reading.
Oh, look at that. He had stickers made.
He had stickers.
That's pretty cool. Can you show that to the camera instead of just hogging it up?
Haha. I got the letter.
That is too cool. That is too cool.
You can read it.
Not without my super specs. What kind of joke is this, Thomas? Don't you know that I have old eyeballs? Woo, you're killing me, brother. Fun King 3D. Thanks a ton for the headphones you sent me. I can't thank you enough. Well, it was our pleasure, Thomas. I wanted you to be able to play Fortnite with Xander and be able to talk to him like one-on-one. So definitely it was.
I don't think he hooked it up right, but
it was worth it. Yeah, if those aren't working right, you let me know, buddy. We can get them swapped out. I have included another coin because you lost mine, and I also included a maker coin for Shom when you see him next, which probably won't be until Earth. So, but I will definitely get that to him. I also have a custom sticker for you. If you were wondering why I had no Thingiverse Thursday, it was because I was gone for spring break. Thanks, Thomas. Well, that's awesome. But I did not lose your maker coin, Thomas. It's around here somewhere.
So you lost it.
No, it's probably up here on the shelf.
Well, Merry Christmas. I found it.
I don't know, but I didn't lose it, I promise.
Merry Christmas, I found it.
But we do have 2 more, so that's cool. And of course, Thomas's link will be down in the description. If you haven't checked out Thomas's channel, please do. He is an 11-year-old creator, and he is...
I'm responsible. I didn't lose it.
He's very, very smart. Probably a little too smart for his own good. But yeah, definitely go check out his channel. So
I'm smart. I put his coin in a safe.
That's nice. All right, everybody. Well, it's the sad time because it's the end of Mailbag Monday, and we appreciate all of this stuff. I love looking over the things that you guys print. I like to check out just the style and the techniques and the quality of your prints. Never be afraid to send us something, even if you feel like, oh, it's not good enough. It's always good enough. I love seeing stuff that other people make.
But don't send us just a bag.
Just send us what?
Just a Ziploc bag.
You said an empty Ziploc bag?
You said everything is good, so here.
No, I mean everything that people print. If you'd like one of our Fun King 3D stickers, if you'll send us a self-addressed stamped envelope to the address that's down in the description, we'll get that sticker out to you. I have to do it that way, otherwise I forget to send stuff. Kind of a busy guy. Mm-hmm. Anything else?
No.
All right, well, thanks to everybody who has sent stuff this week and in the past, and anybody who's thinking about doing it. It's greatly appreciated. There's a couple of you out there that I have packages coming to you as well, so watch for those. And that's it. Another week starts. Tune in to Xander Sing Thursday on Thursday at noon. And as always, print on!